Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look and how I installed this wig. I'm so excited. This is the cutest thing ever. It came out perfectly. I'm so happy. Things were going wrong along the way, so I'm happy it turned out good. This is the Outre Seraphine in 613. Let me do a little thumbnail. So guys, this really cute synthetic wig, doesn't it look amazing? Oh my gosh. So this is not a sponsored video. I bought this wig, this beauty supply wig, but y'all, it's giving $500 hairstyle. Truly it is. So stay tuned to see how I achieved this look. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan, and yes, I look a hot mess right now, but if you saw from the beginning of the video, I should have looked 1,000 times better. Today we're installing a wig. This video is not sponsored. My bedroom looks a mess in the background. We're not talking about that. I'm going to my friend's baby shower today. She's having a baby girl, so I'm going to be putting on this blonde wig. Super cute. It is the Outre Seraphine in 613. So Outre Seraphine in 613. Again, this is not sponsored. I bought this at, well, I went to the beauty supply and they marked up the price $30 more than it really was. So then I went on Amazon and bought it. But it's this super cute blonde. The curls were a little tighter, but I brushed them out. And now we have these really pretty curls and stuff. So first order of business, we got to get these glasses off my face. So I got my contacts in my little contacts case. So we're going to put on my glasses, do my skincare. And well, I guess I can wait to do the skincare because I'm about to put the wig on. But let me show y'all the supplies I have. So this broke me out so bad the first time I used it. But when I tell you this works like no other, this is the perfect glue in the world. I'm like this. Boho Active, y'all. Hello? Boho Active. That's what I'm using. And then I also have the Kiss Lace Bond adhesive spray. So instead of Gots to Be Glue, because this is like mint, so this will mint the things on your head. Then I have my trusty dusty hot comb. I should unravel this now because I actually need to hot comb the wig itself. Let me see if I can get my other light cut back on. We got a little bit more light. Got the hot comb. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that up now. All right, hot comb plugged on. We're gonna cut it on, set it down, let it warm up, and now I'm gonna put in my contacts. Let's do that. Put your loving where your mouth is. You know you're in for a really good time. Whew. I thought something was about to follow me, y'all. That was freaking spooky. Got my contact solution. I meant to put this on last night, but I was doing homework and I fell asleep. And it's also Coachella today. Well, it's weekend 2 Coachella. Starting today. Yesterday was day 0. My contact is ripped. Oh my God. We're gonna have to use the ones that the eye doctor prescribed me. Oh my God. But they make my eyes shake a little bit. Oh my God, y'all. It's fine. Just vote. I already know I'm gonna be out. Ugh. Things are not going as smoothly as I want them to be going at all. So not only is my contact now ripped, I got the new ones. Not only is my contact now ripped, this is my tripod for my camera, my Sony ZV-F1, and it freaking died. So I can't even control the camera hands-free anymore. I have to do everything manually, and I'm rushing. I make sure I'm doing the right eye. So we got right, peel it open, almost shot it across the room. I'm gonna put it already comes in its own solution, but I'm gonna put a little bit more solution in there. I cannot believe the other one freaking ripped. Are you joking me? Y'all. Oh my God, I dropped it. It's so slippery. Okay, the right one is in my eye. Let's get the left one. Put a little bit more solution in it. That made it super slick. And I just got out the shower, so my hands are dry. It's already doing that thing where my eyes are trying not to focus, but contacts are in. Now we need to start applying the wig. When I apply wigs, I don't do the wig cap method. I'm here for the girlies that don't have time to be doing all that extra. So what I do, I give me 2 wig caps. And I already got my hair braided back somewhat. I just like, when I was watching Coachella the other night, I'm like, let me just try to roll my hair back. Because I've never been able to. And then I got it because I stopped thinking about it. And the way girlies be explaining it, they actually explain it wrong. Well, not all of them, but for the most part, the girlies who explain how to cornrow explain it wrong. When you are cornrowing, you are only doing that braid method where you take the 3 pieces and make a braid on the beginning part of your hair. You take out a little section, then you make a regular braid, and then you add in a piece as you go. You're not braiding technically the whole time with the 3 pieces. You're just doing 3 pieces at the start and then grabbing one little section of hair as you go. That, I'm like, why wouldn't y'all just say that? I don't know. But first wig cap, you see my hairline's kind of low on the sides. Take a second wig cap, slap it on, and try to bring it a little further down. Here, let's pull these down a bit. Because like I said, my hairline is kind of low and we don't want to rip out our edges. And we also don't want the wig to be too low down. So let's, good. And you see these little dots? That's from the wig glue, y'all. I'm telling you, it broke me out so bad, but I'm like, it's so perfect. It's so good. So before I put the wig on, I don't want any edges today. So we're going to take the hot comb and we're going to flatten out this little hump, and then we're gonna push everything back. Hot comb's heated up, and I'm gonna push everything back. You don't need to add product when you're doing this part. And don't be sitting there trying to hold it like a regular wig, because this is a synthetica. You're gonna burn the pieces straight off. You're gonna burn the wig. You're gonna be wondering why. Perfect. No product. Let me show y'all. No hot comb. No hot comb. Come on. Let's get the other side. We're gonna comb all the hairs back so that we have a clear hairline, and then we're going to flatten out the hump. There's not a lot of customizing you have to do with the synthetic wig, which is why I prefer getting the synthetic wigs, because they're quicker to install. Because you don't have to be a master beautician to really master how to do this. That boy is corrupt. Oh, that is so cutesy. And I'll show y'all my dress and my outfit and everything in the next video. So this is going to be my hair video, and then I'll do like get ready with me for the baby shower in the next video. So it'll be here. You'll see it. This is so cute. Get all these extra hairs back. We're good. We're gonna cut the hot comb off for now so that we don't burn down the house. And then I'm trying to do dual form content, so I'm gonna attempt to record a clip on my phone actually. Grab these. Oh look, got that recorded. Now, what do I want to do? I feel like I should put a layer of the lace bond or got to be glue around the perimeter of my hairline so that it doesn't. I just got out the shower. My skin is pretty much dry and all that, but I'm going to take my witch hazel toner. I'm going to put it on my whole face, but this is really to just clean my hairline off. So tone us up. Actually going to put the wig on my head, and we're going to see how it fits. Make sure it fits how I want it to fit first. Oh, very cutesy. That's going to fit perfect. Let's see if I can pull wig caps down some more, because it looks like it is going to be low. So we might have to... But you said I don't want it in the middle of my forehead. So I'm trying to pull the middle up. Keep the sides down. Let's see how that looks. We got to pull that back. It's that just freaking tuft of hair right there. I think it should be fine though. So pull down. Feeling like the wig cap might have to be back more, because you can see. The wig cap has to be back further. It looks good. So we got the wig cap back further. Cool. So now I'm going to just fold this like this, and it should stay. We can clip it to make sure it stays in the exact place that I want it. And I'm going to go in with a layer of this first, just along my hairline where all that glue and stuff is about to be. So technically this is our skin protectant in a way. Oh, this clip got to go, actually. It's in the way. This one's got to go too. Oh my God. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm going to let that dry. Come back when I'm putting the glue on it. All right, y'all. For blow dryers, I actually got this super cute Babyliss Pro like style switcher. And it comes in this super cute carrying case with a bunch of different attachments. Super cutesy with the pink satin lined. Got a whole bunch of different attachments in here. So I'm going to be using the blow dry attachment for our endeavors today. So let's blow dry it a little bit more. This thing is so strong. Oh my God. Get those sides actually. When I tell you that feels so good, focus. So based on what all the girlies say, 3 layers of glue, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 3 layers of glue. Do your little dots, and I'm going to take an edge brush and I'm going to put it across my hairline. So I have my mirror in front of me. Get you some dots and literally go along the perimeter of your hairline. Don't worry about it being all white and clumpy right now, because that is what we have this for. So we're going to take it, and I like to go in circular motions and then swipe it back. And after you smooth it all out, I done got it all in my hair. Oh well. That piece of my hairline is too low anyway. It shouldn't be there. We got a little layer of protectant. We'll take it off the right way. We'll be okay. And I have a big head, so I might have to go back and add more down on the sides to really make sure it's secure. So we got first layer of glue. We're going to let it dry clear. Then we're going to do a second layer of glue. Let it dry clear. Third layer of glue. Let it dry clear. Then we'll come back. Here we go. So I'm going to let this dry and I'll be back.
Open fall. Bitch, I will never feel a time I feel the fall. Go there with my friends and taking pictures. I got my pistol for them niggas. I'm a pistol fuck them niggas. What's your shit? Pistol poppin' nigga.
Layer 2. Done.
I'm here with you
Forever. I for a night.
trying to get closer.
50 here.
We get deposits.
Salmon in my love.
Swap it out with you. Come to my world. Swap it out to you. Swap it out. Swap it out. We change my life. It's worth the sacrifice. How to hard, we have to lose nothing. Don't separate us yesterday. It's separating you from me. These are things we with each other. Open.
Had to pause Justin Bieber. I was turning up. Last layer, guys. And see, with recording double content, I got it now. So I feel like I got the hang of it. It's just double editing. Because editing is already a tremendous task. So having to do a double, I'm like, oh, but you craft the life you want for yourself. So if you want it bad enough, you'll do it. And I want it. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, actually. I'm going to do this. I'm going to resume my music because I got to. guys. I think we did it. OMG. Y'all, look at my hair. It literally came out perfect. Literally, wow. So cutesy. It's so cute. I got this little rope thing from where the name of the wig was hanging off. Let's cut that a little bit more. Oh my God. That is just, wow. You can't tell me anything right now. The time is now 11:37. The baby shower starts at 4. I started getting ready super early because I knew it would take me a little bit to get ready. So you guys, this is the look. Super cute. If y'all want to see the full outfit, you gotta watch the next video. Seriously. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you would like to see from me. I will see you guys very soon.